There's 4 things a person should seek knowledge for. The first reason where you're seeking knowledge for and you're learning is 𝗪خروج من الضلال. You're learning to go outside misguidance. You don't want to be a misguided person. You want to be a guided person. So that's the first reason why you're seeking knowledge. That's the first مقصد النية في الطلب. The objectives in why you're seeking knowledge. الخروج من الضلال. You want to go outside misguidance. You don't want to be misguided. Number 2, نفع الخلق. You want to benefit the people around you and the community that you're from and your friends that you know. You want to benefit them. That's the reason why you're out there learning and studying. And number 3 is إحياء العلوم. You're trying to preserve knowledge and protect it from any what? That knowledge becoming destroyed and corrupt and forsaken. Because if the knowledge is not studied and there's not people who are learning it, then the knowledge will what? It will just be in the books, but nobody knows it. And number 4 is العمل بالمعلوم, is to implement that knowledge which you have attained. You're learning it because you want to implement it. You want to get closer to Allah by doing it. Those 4 are the مقاصد النية في طلب العلم. These are the intent of why you're seeking knowledge. And they brought it together in 3 lines of poetry. فَلْتَقْصِدُ أَرْبَعَةً قَبْلَ ابْتِدَاءٍ. Before you seek knowledge, have this intention. تعلم لكيف تفوز بالهدى. أولها الخروج من ضلال، والثاني نفع خلق ذي الجلال، والثالث الإحياء للعلوم، والرابع العمل بالمعلوم. أولها الخروج من ضلال. We mentioned that. The first reason you're learning it for is what? You don't want to be a misguided person. والثاني نفع خلق ذي الجلال. And the second is to benefit the people you're around. والثالث الإحياء للعلوم. And the third is to give life to this knowledge and make it, inshallah ta'ala, one that's not forgotten. وَالرَّابِعُ الْعَمَلِ بِالْمَعْلُومِ. And the fourth is to implement the knowledge which you've learned. Anybody who realizes that that's the objective of knowledge and that's the intent of knowledge, then inshallah ta'ala his intention is good if he's doing it for those 4.